All right, cool. So yesterday we did stacks. Today we are doing queues. Can you guys hear me okay? Yeah, okay. My microphone's weird, I guess. Um so stacks were I always mess this up. I'm going to go slow. Last in, first out, LIFO. Queues are FIFO, first in, first out. And really a queue is like in England they call a line a queue, right? Like they queue up for an ATM or for a, I don't know, Ferris wheel or whatever they have in England, right? So you think of a queue as just that. It's you're going to have a series of items and they're going to follow the pattern that if the first one gets in line, that's the first one to leave, right? Just like any other line we're familiar with. So if we have a bunch of items, 1, 2, 3, right? We are going to still add items to the back, right? But when we remove items, we're going to take the one first, right? So if this is our queue, the first one out will be the one. Then once that's gone, 2 will be next up, then 3, then 4, right? Whatever else is, in the queue. They don't have to be in order or anything like that. It could be, 47, right? We just want to we're same pattern we did yesterday. We're going to use a regular old JavaScript array, but we're going to restrict its functionality. Okay, so we're going to have whoop, get rid of my drawings. When you don't do this for a while, it's like can't get rid of my annotation tools. There we go. Okay. So we're going to have a constructor like we did yesterday. The constructor is only going to have a single item, right? Which is a JavaScript array. And then we're going to make the methods that are associated with a queue. Okay. So enqueue, what does enqueue do? I can't get rid of my drawing. It's there forever. Okay. What does enqueue do?
Just pushes something.
Yeah. It just adds an item to the back of the queue, right? So again, don't overthink this, right? We can use the array methods that are available on JavaScript arrays. Okay. So this is kind of, should be a very easy, you know, easy algo, right? So we want to enqueue. I always feel like I'm saying this wrong. I think it's pronounced DQ, right? I think so. Anyway, so DQ means remove and returns the first item. So if this is our queue, we want to write a method that is going to take the 2, right? And then the queue will be just the remaining items in the queue. Okay. Front is kind of like the equivalent of peek that we did yesterday, where you look at what's next, but you don't remove it. Okay. And then is empty. Again, you can look at probably yesterday's. Did I push this? I did. Okay, so I'll post the link in Discord and in chat. But it's pretty much like what we did. A mirror of what we did yesterday. Instead of LIFO, it's FIFO. Okay, make sense? Any questions? Comments? Concerns? You guys with me? Thank you for the nods. Thank you guys for having your cameras on. That's awesome. I appreciate it. All right, I'm going to pause the record. Did I? Oh God, tell me I recorded. I did. Okay. All right. Who would like to share their solution to the? Well, let's start with the NQ. We'll give everybody a chance to share if you guys want to. So, who would like to share their solution to the NQ method?
I can share it.
Cool. Cool. Cool.
Let's see.
NQ is just push.
Cool. This dot items is the array push item. Perfect. What is the only thing? What is this supposed to return?
We did some test cases down here to push these in there.
Okay, but look at the. Go back up to the method. So read the I don't know what you call that, annotations, I guess, above the method. It says the params is going to take an item and then it specifies a return. So what is it supposed to return?
A number, a new size of the queue.
Size.
Yeah, yeah. So how would we have that return the size?
Would it be like dot length?
Uh well, hold on.
I think you can use the method that you made down
Yeah.
a little further down.
Yeah, scroll down. You made a size method, right?
Yes.
Yep, just use that one. So below your this dot items dot push items, just say return this dot size. And it's a method, so you got to put the invoke it parentheses. There you go. Perfect. Outstanding. Cool. You want to do the next one, or want to give somebody else a chance? Up to you.
Whatever's clever. Whatever you need.
Let's do DQ, and then we'll have the other group do the front and size and all the other ones.
All right, so if this length equals 0, return it's empty. Else, show the first um one in the list.
Yep. Which you use the built-in shift method. That's perfect. Perfect. Yep. Nice job. Thank you for sharing. All right, next group. Who would like to share their solutions to the front, is empty, and size? All right, who's sharing? I didn't. Oh, Brian. Okay.
Can you guys hear me?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, so for front, if the length is 0, we're returning undefined since there's nothing in there. Otherwise, we're going to return this dot items at point 0, so the first thing in the line.
Cool.
Right here
Awesome.
is empty. Similar thing, we're returning a boolean. So we made this dot items dot length. Just saying if it's 0, if there are 0, we'll return true. If not, false. And then size items dot length.
Items dot length. Outstanding. You got your test cases in there.
Yeah,
Awesome.
so we can
Pretty
run it.
easy and straightforward, right? Any questions? Anybody have any questions about the algo? All right, awesome. Thank you, everybody. Thanks, everybody, for sharing. Let me stop the recording.